Hey guys, Trevor here with Ecommerce Paradise, and today I just wanted to talk to you about some conferences that I'm going to be going to coming up this fall and winter, and why you should attend conferences and networking events in your industry so that you can, network with people. And if this is your first time watching the channel or listening to the podcast, you can get my free high-ticket dropshipping niches list at ecommerceparadise.com/niches, and also get my free mini course on high-ticket dropshipping at ecommerceparadise.com/secrets. So let's talk about networking. Networking is really, really important in life, and especially in your career, because the more people you meet and the more people you know, the more networks you're attached to, right? So networks are this amazing thing where, we as a singular person don't necessarily have the ability to know and get to know tons of people, but through other people, we can get to know and know tons of people. And I've met some of the most amazing people in my life, and I've met, partners and all that stuff through friends of friends. And so that's how things happen. And when you are looking to grow your business, or, grow your income level, or expand, your life, or do more things in life at all, if you're just looking to do any personal development or growth, networking is probably the number one thing that's going to help you get there, to achieve your goals. And so some events that I'm going to coming up this fall and winter are, number one, DCBKK. DCBKK is put on by a community called the Dynamite Circle, which is ran by the guys who make the Tropical MBA podcast. Big shout out to Dan and Ian. I listen to that podcast constantly, and I absolutely love it. And if you guys haven't listened to it, definitely check it out. It's an amazing podcast because just the way they run the podcast is totally relaxed and conversational style. And they interview some really interesting people from all walks of life, but mostly about entrepreneurship in one form or another. And they also have some really, really cool, case studies and stuff like that. So definitely check out that podcast. The Dynamite Circle is a community. It's a paid community that they have that I'm a member of. And basically it's people that have cash flowing businesses that are online that want to network with each other online. And it's a forum, and you can communicate with other members. And there's lots of members that actually put a ton of value into that forum and community. So I really, really like being a part of it. And I've gotten some great podcast guests through that, and also networked a lot. I missed the last DCBKK, even though I was going to attend, and I was in Bangkok because I got food poisoning the day that it was starting, and the food poisoning lasted like 3 or 4 days, which is about as long as the event lasts. So it was really, really a big bummer for me. I was literally in the toilet all day long and in the bed with a high fever, and it was just nasty. They call it Bangkok belly, but so DCBKK is an awesome event. You guys, it's kind of hard to figure out how to get into it because really it's kind of an insiders only event. But if you just look up the Tropical MBA, get on their email list, type into Google, DCBKK events, stuff like that, you can find out how to join the DCBKK. You can apply, and then you can actually get your tickets. All right, so check that event out. It's in October, mid-October, coming up, I think the 16th to the 20th in Bangkok, Thailand. And by the way, Bangkok is one of the most visited cities in the world. It's so much fun to go to, and there are a ton of people there. You can have so much fun. It's so cheap, and there's like literally something for everybody. Lots of cool, crazy experiences like you can imagine. If you've never been to Bangkok before, I highly recommend it. Especially if you want to go with your guy friends and stuff, you can have a great time. Even as a couple, you can go and have a great time. There's tons of cool things for everybody. Huge malls, street food, temples, rivers. There's even a huge park in Bangkok that's amazing. If you like skateboarding, there's lots of skate parks there. And you can get a motorbike and ride around the city and stuff like that if you want to. The traffic's a little bit crazy though. I will warn you, if you do go to Bangkok, take the subway and take the SkyTrain. It'll help you get around town a lot easier, and it's really cheap. Don't try to take the local buses because you'll just be stuck in traffic. Bangkok is awesome for guys, single guys, because there's tons of nightlife and there's tons of like red light districts and stuff like that. So it's really fun. It's a great place to go for a business conference because the entrepreneurs that are out on this side of the world are right here. And you can also get to network with people that are entrepreneurs in Europe that are coming out, and also America and Australia. Lots of people come from all over the world to code DCBKK because it's a pretty big community. So check that out, guys. It's really awesome. Now, I actually have some business I need to take care of in the States sometime this fall, setting up new businesses and stuff like that. So I'm really excited, and I decided to go ahead and look up what events were happening in November, and I got an email from a guy named Jeff Walker. recently, who is promoting his event called LaunchCon. If you don't know who Jeff Walker is, he is the guy behind the Launch Book. And the Launch Book is a book about launches and how to do a proper launch. I just did a video on this recently on how I do proper launches, and you can do it for any type of business you have, whatever you're selling online, offline. Launches are the way to do it, because you're going to build excitement and you're going to make an event out of it. You're going to make it limited time, and you're going to build your authority, and you're going to build like all the other things that come with that, and build your business, in the long run, and make lots of sales. You make a lot more sales doing launches than if you just do evergreen sales and stuff like that. Like limited time launches really do work well. So Jeff Walker runs an event called LaunchCon, and it's in Phoenix, Arizona. I forget the exact date, sometime mid-November, but you can look it up. And I believe right now he is actually closing it out. So if you are interested in going to LaunchCon, you need to buy now to get the pre-sale pricing. I already bought my ticket, so I got in there. But at any event, you can still get in there if you're watching this later. LaunchCon's mid-November, Phoenix, Arizona. It's a really cool event. I haven't been there before, so I'm really excited to go and network with other entrepreneurs that do launches and have products, either physical or digital, or do SaaS companies or services, whatever it is. And since I have this podcast and YouTube channel, it's a great opportunity for me to network and also get other people on the podcast and YouTube channel. And I'm starting to grow it a lot now, and it's really exciting for me because I love growing a community, right? It's like the most fun thing ever. You guys are watching this, you're probably thinking, Trevor's been doing this for a long time now, why isn't it bigger? I've gotten that a lot from people, and it's just because honestly I haven't networked enough, so I need to get out there and network more. So that's my goal for the end of this year and 2020, of course. So yeah, and then there is an event coming up in December. Let's see, what is it? It is happening in Bangkok, Thailand, and it's called Affiliate World. Affiliate World is a really cool conference because as an affiliate marketer, you get to network with companies that offer affiliate products. You get to network with other affiliate marketers. You get to network with people that offer courses on affiliate marketing, all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to be going to that event. I do a lot of affiliate marketing, as well as course sales, as well as high ticket drop shipping, and digital products and all that. So I'll be networking with a lot of great people. I went to Affiliate World a couple of years ago, and I got to hang out with my buddy and mentor, Ernest Epps. Ernest Epps is a really great guy, and he was there, and he did a great talk about drop shipping at that event, which is also one of the highest ranked YouTube videos on drop shipping. I bet you if you just type like drop shipping into YouTube, you'll probably find his talk. And if you check the front row of that talk, you'll see me in the front row there with my now ex-wife. But we were there at the event. We supported him and his talk, and it was a great talk. So I like Affiliate World. I'm going to go there again. It's in Bangkok as well. So since I love Bangkok, it's going to be a lot of fun. And then in late January, February, I believe, is an event that's really big. And this one is the one I'm probably most excited to go to because I actually missed out last year. And it's the most exciting because it's a community that is so engaged and so excited to hang out with each other. And it's kind of because the founder of it kind of put into their community a lot of the same principles that like MLMs and pyramid scheme companies do to like build excitement and get referrals and stuff like that, which is totally fine. I mean, the method of marketing is totally legit. But if you haven't heard of it yet, it's called Funnel Hacking Live, and it's put on by a guy named Russell Brunson and his team over at ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels, if you don't know what that is a software program for building sales funnels online, and they host your website for you and make it really easy to build that out. So I use ClickFunnels for some stuff, and I am a ClickFunnels affiliate. So if you want to check it out, you can type ecommerceparadise.com/ClickFunnels and get a free trial. And he also wrote a few amazing books, 2 amazing books, and he's also writing a 3rd one right now, that have changed my life, and I can't recommend them highly enough. The first book that I read of his that changed my life and got me on this process of becoming a better marketer and creating an online business from, selling the things that I know and just growing my businesses in general, is called .com Secrets. .com Secrets teaches you how to build a really, really, really good business, how to structure it, and how to sell and promote and stuff like that. So if you haven't checked that out, you can use my affiliate link, ecommerceparadise.com/.com Secrets. I believe they offer for around $10 plus free shipping. You'll get the book, and then he'll offer you some of the courses he has as well. But it's a physical book, and he also sells the audio book along with that. And it's an amazing book, and I read it on my Kindle device every single day, and it's changed my life. And the second book that he wrote that is absolutely incredible is called Expert Secrets. And Expert Secrets, like .com Secrets is more the science behind this, behind building a business bigger. Expert Secrets is more of the art of building a business bigger, in my opinion. That's how I look at it, because a lot of it is based on storytelling and sales scripts and, the perfect webinar and all this stuff, epiphany bridges and story selling, things that work really well in copywriting and things that will help you sell more. So with that said, you can check out Expert Secrets as well. I highly recommend that book. It's ecommerceparadise.com/expert secrets, my affiliate link if you want to click that, buy the book. Again, it's about $10 plus free shipping. He has an audiobook. He also has some courses he'll offer you after that as well. And I highly recommend pretty much buying everything he has because he's an amazing guy. His books are really easy to read. Everything makes perfect sense. And his courses are amazing as well. And his software works great. Now, with that said, I'm going to be going to Funnel Hacking Live. I believe it's late January, early February, if I got the dates right. Maybe it's late February, early March. I'm not exactly 100% sure. But look, you can find out the dates. Go to Funnel Hacking Live on Google and you'll find it there. And yeah, it's going to be an awesome event. I'm really excited to network with all the other people in the community. There's a lot of entrepreneurs that do different things, that use ClickFunnels or just love Russell Brunson and watch his training all the time, like me. So yeah, I'm excited. And so you guys out there, if you're just getting started with your business or even if you're trying to grow it, just know that networking is going to help you grow your net worth. Okay, your network is your net worth, and then people that are going to determine how much money you have and how much you're going to be able to experience in life. So meet people that are in higher places that are doing bigger things, and you're going to, generally speaking, be able to get to higher places and do bigger things in your own life. Life is all about working together on things, and whether that be a partnership or whether it just be knowing somebody and sharing ideas, and whether it be doing an interview or whether it be growing a whole business together. It doesn't matter. Networking is going to help you get farther in life, so do it, okay, as often as possible. Now, as far as high-ticket dropshipping goes, in the dropshipping world specifically, there's some really great conferences you can go to that are more like trade shows. And the trade shows happen a lot of times in Las Vegas, Nevada, because for some reason Las Vegas is just like the center of the world for conferences and trade shows in America. Now there's of course other places, but there's one called E-Tail West, and there's a lot of other trade shows. You can just look up on Google at trade shows, for retails. So what you can do is you can go to these trade shows, you can get some really good ideas on niches, or you can talk to suppliers of high ticket products and hopefully get them on board with your store. You can get ideas for doing new stores. You can do tons of stuff. For instance, when I was in the bicycle niche, when I sold bicycles, my website back in the day was roadbikecity.com and did really well. 2014, we did $500,000 in sales without any paid ads. And so, we were thinking, we want to get on some more. We want to get on some more suppliers. So what we did was we started going to the big bicycle expo that happens called Interbike. And Interbike happens every single year. It's in Las Vegas, and they even have like a second show along with that for like the fitness industry. And they have an outdoor event where you get to test the bikes, the mountain bikes and the electric bikes and things like that, the folding bikes. You get to test them out outdoors, and that's one of the most fun things ever. And it's free because in order to enter the event, you have to have you have to be a dealer. You have to be in the industry somehow. You can't just be in the public. I believe actually that they opened it up to the public like the last day of the event, and maybe they're still doing that. But anyways, Interbike is really cool if you are in the bicycle industry. I know there's a lot of people selling electric bikes online now. I sold my site back in 2018, I think. So I no longer do that, but for you guys that are, it's an awesome industry to be a part of. Get out there. Don't just be like don't just hide behind a website. Actually be the person behind your business. Go to the event, hang out. Get to know some of these people. I had some really fun conversations because I've always ridden bicycles my whole life. I've loved it. You can get some great conversations, meet some awesome people that are total geeks about different types of bicycles, road bikes, electric bikes, fixed gear bikes, whatever, BMX bikes. They're all there. And you can get to know these people and make friendships and build rapport. And when you do that with a potential supplier, you get to be the number one person on top of their mind when it comes to making more sales. So they're going to be hitting you up when they have clearance events, and they're going to be hitting you up when they want to give you better pricing and stuff like that, or when they have new shipments coming in. They're going to let you know first and foremost. So be that number one dealer that they're thinking of, and you'll be able to increase your sales. So with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this podcast. Get out there and network some more and meet some people. As far as Ecommerce Paradise goes, I do hope to be manning up a little bit and doing some meetups soon. I'll probably try to set one up in Bali, and when I go to the States, I'll try to set one up. I think I'll visit San Francisco, Los Angeles, Seattle, so I'll do some meetups there as well for e-commerce entrepreneurs. And I'm really excited for that. I get to meet the community and you guys, and if you're interested in learning more about that, just go to ecommerceparadise.com/group and join our Facebook group so that you can get notified when I do plan those events. So I'll probably be planning it through Facebook and through meetup.com. And yeah, if you guys are interested in getting started with high ticket dropshipping, you want to have like a step-by-step process, get into my masterclass, because my masterclass community is where all the magic happens. It's where we make money online, we grow our stores together, and we really excel as a community. So check it out at ecommerceparadise.com/masterclass. I do run specials sometimes, so stay on the email list and open your emails so you can learn more about those specials when they do happen. And yeah, I'm really excited to meet every one of you guys. If you are having trouble, with your website, if like, for instance, you're the type of person that has an e-commerce business already, a high-ticket dropshipping store, or even not, any kind of store, and you're just having trouble with conversion optimization, I can help with that. So if you need help and you want help from a mentor, just book a free strategy session with me. I do 15-minute strategy sessions. We can talk about what you're looking to achieve and how I can help you achieve that. So if you're interested, you can go to ecommerceparadise.com/meeting and you can book a 15-minute strategy session with me. So I look forward to talking to you. Last but not least, I just want to let you know and remind you guys that I do have a turnkey store done for you service that I provide. I have a team that I work with to build really awesome, highly converting websites. So if you want something built out for you, and then of course access to my masterclass and my coaching to help you run the site and grow the site, scale it after it's done, you can go check that out and get more information at ecommerceparadise.com/turnkey. And you'll be able to book a coaching call and onboarding call with me at that point as well. So thanks for listening, watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe. And also, if you don't mind leaving a review of my podcast, that would be awesome. Just go to ecommerceparadise.com/podcast and leave a review there. I've been getting some really great reviews, and I'm really excited about that because I love doing this all the time, and I love helping each and every one of you to become successful, become location independent, be financially free. You can work from home, spend more time with your family. You can travel abroad more often. You can live the life of your dreams, and you don't have to be stuck at a cubicle or some kind of a job, or working for a boss that you hate, that kind of stuff. I want you to live a life that you love and absolutely, have dreamed of before your retirement. Okay, so you can do this stuff in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s. You don't have to wait till you're 65 to live this kind of a lifestyle. And again, this is my actually last day in Jakarta. So here's the view right now from the apartment I stay at in Jakarta. And Jakarta's in Indonesia. It's the capital city. It's an insanely busy city. It's also very polluted. I don't spend a whole lot of time outside when I'm here. I just, kind of huddle down in the apartment and do a lot of work. And I've been doing tons of work lately, getting a lot done. So I'm happy with my progress. And I'll be in Bali tonight. And so next week I'll film some videos, maybe from the beach or my apartment as well. So I'll see you guys then, and have a great one. Take care.